no. Cookie Monster. This is not a cookie.
That not cookie? That look like cookie to me.
No, this is a painting of a cookie.
Me not picky. Cowabunga!
No, please don't eat my painting, Cookie.
Why not?
Well, because I painted it myself. I'm proud of it, and I want to keep it.
Oh, well, you should be proud. Painting masterpiece. But me got to eat cookie. Me got to eat cookie. Me cannot stop myself. It's me nature.
Oh, wait. I have an idea.
What? Cookie idea?
Yes. You can eat the cookie that I was painting from.
Yeah? Really? Oh, what cookie you baking? Where?
Here. Over here. See?
Do you see what me see? Ha! Cookie! Ah! Oh no, Big Bird, me still hungry. You mind?
No, go right ahead, Cookie Monster.
Thank you.